Welcome to another adventure. Have you ever wondered what it's like to see the world from above, soaring over treetops, cliffs, and oceans? Drones have completely changed how we experience nature, giving us a bird's-eye view of some of the most stunning landscapes on Earth. In today's video, we're exploring nature through the eyes of drones and showing you just how incredible our world looks from the skies. How drones revolutionized nature exploration. Drones have revolutionized the way we explore and capture nature. They give us access to perspectives that were once impossible to achieve without helicopters or planes. Whether you're flying over vast deserts, through mountain valleys, or alongside waterfalls, drones bring the beauty of the natural world to life in a whole new way. With drones, we can capture nature's vastness, scale, and details like never before. But what makes drone footage so captivating is the sense of freedom and exploration it provides. Like you're flying above the earth, untouched by human influence. The most breathtaking drone landscapes. Let's take a look at some of the most awe-inspiring landscapes captured by drones. From towering mountains to dense rainforests, the drone's unique perspective reveals just how incredible and diverse our planet really is. First, glaciers, massive, otherworldly, and constantly changing. When viewed from above, glaciers reveal stunning details like deep blue ice crevasses and winding meltwater rivers, creating a surreal landscape that feels like it belongs on another planet. Next, rainforests. Drones allow us to fly over dense canopies and witness the sheer vastness of these ecosystems. From the sky, you can appreciate the layers of the forest and even spot wildlife moving through the trees. And then, there's the coast. Whether it's rugged cliffs or pristine beaches, drone footage captures the power and serenity of the ocean, showing waves crashing against rocky shores or gently lapping onto sand. The magic of drone aerial views at sunrise and sunset. Some of the most magical moments you can capture with a drone are during sunrise and sunset. The soft light, long shadows, and changing colors make these times of day perfect for aerial photography and videography. Imagine soaring above a desert as the sun sets, watching as the sand turns golden and the sky transforms into vibrant shades of orange and pink. The stillness and quiet of these moments, seen from above, are breathtaking. Sunrises are equally mesmerizing. From mist rising over lakes to the first rays of light touching the peaks of mountains, drones let us capture the serenity and beauty of nature waking up. Capturing wildlife from a drone's perspective. But it's not just landscapes that make drones so exciting. Wildlife also takes on a whole new dimension when seen from the air. From herds of animals migrating across vast plains to dolphins playing in the ocean, drones offer us an unobtrusive way to observe wildlife in their natural habitats. One of the most incredible sights you can capture with a drone is marine life. Imagine flying above a pod of whales, seeing them breach and swim just below the surface. The drone gives you a perspective that no boat or shore-based view can offer. Exploring remote and hard-to-reach places with drones. Drones are also incredible tools for exploring remote or hard-to-reach places. Think of towering cliffs, deep canyons, or remote islands, places that might take days or even weeks to reach on foot. With a drone, you can explore these locations in minutes, all from the comfort of your controller. Hidden waterfalls, secluded beaches, and vast mountain ranges that are rarely touched by humans can be easily accessed and filmed, allowing us to share the beauty of these pristine environments with the world. How drones help in conservation efforts. But drones aren't just for capturing stunning footage, they're also playing a crucial role in conservation. Scientists and conservationists are using drones to monitor wildlife populations, track deforestation, and even map coral reefs. From protecting endangered species to surveying hard-to-reach ecosystems, drones are helping us better understand and protect the natural world. By giving us a detailed view from above, we can track changes in the environment and take action to preserve these landscapes. Tips for capturing stunning nature footage with your drone. So, how can you capture incredible nature footage with your own drone? First, always consider the time of day. Early mornings and late afternoons provide the best lighting for dramatic shadows and soft colors. Next, think about movement. Fly slowly and steadily to create smooth, cinematic shots. Let the landscape speak for itself, and try different angles, from high above to skimming just above the ground. And finally, always be mindful of the environment. Avoid disturbing wildlife and make sure you're following local regulations when flying in protected areas. Drones have given us an incredible opportunity to explore and appreciate the natural world in ways that were once impossible. From the soaring peaks of mountains to the depths of forests and oceans, these aerial views offer a new perspective on the beauty of our planet. If you've enjoyed this journey through nature from above, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible nature and travel content. Let us know in the comments which landscapes you'd love to capture with a drone.